The first thing when finding percent, giving a number in the total, it'd be good to have is the definition of percent. Percent literally means per or of or out of 100. So the prefix per is like our divide sign, and we know there are 100 cents in a dollar. And this is a nice basic problem to start off with. What percent? So I'm going to use P for percent. Of always means times. 150 is always means equals 9. So then to solve, all we need to do is divide both of our sides of our equation by 150. So we're undoing the times with divide, and we'll get P equals. Okay, it gives me, and when I divide, a decimal 0.06, but I remember percent is out of 100, so I need to take that times 100. So move my decimal 2 places, and I get 6%. Okay, again, I like this nice equation technique. I'm translating directly the word problem into an equation. 30 and is always means equals. What percent of means times 75. So again, to solve, we're going to divide both sides by 75. And it's a little backwards, but that's okay. 30 divided by 75 is 0.04, and again we need to change that to a percent, so multiply by 100 and we get 4%. Okay, so with this word problem, the first thing I'm going to do is change it into one of those simple problems. Theo has $400. She wants to use $100 on a new jacket. What percent of Theo's money will be used to buy the jacket? So we want to know what percent of the 400 is 100. Okay, so now that we've translated that, all we have to do to solve, to undo times 400, divide both sides by 400, and I get P equals 0.25. And again, that's out of 100, so we're going to multiply by 100 and we get 25%. The floor in Tujin's house is made of 3,000 tiles. If 900 tiles were used for the restroom, what percent of the tiles were used for the restroom? Another way of looking at percent is part out of whole. So I know the part and the whole, and so I can just divide 900 divided by 3,000, and I get 0.3, which again we have to multiply by 100 to change it to a percent, so that'd be 30%. Okay, Andrew had $38. He used $17.10 to buy a video game. What percent of Andrew's money is used to buy the video game? Again, I'm doing my part over whole strategy, so 1710 divided by 38 gives me 0.45, which again we have to change to percent, so it's 45%.